Question number 6. The diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. The diagonals of rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. We assume shorter side. Here, suppose the length of shorter side is equal to x. Length of shorter side is equal to x meter. Diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meters. Then length of diagonal is equal to 60 meters more than x plus 60 meters. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, in rectangle longer side length of longer side's length is equal to 30 meter more than the shorter side. Shorter side x plus 30 meter. Suppose here our rectangle. Now shorter side is equal to x. Longer side is equal to x plus 30 and its diagonal is equal to x plus 60. We know in rectangle all angles are right angle. Then here we use which theorem? Pythagoras rules. X square plus x plus 30 square is equal to x plus 60 square. By Pythagoras rules, x square plus x plus 30 square is equal to x plus 60 square. Here we write more than the shorter side. Find the sides of the field. Sides of the field here x and x plus 30. It is not a side. It is side for triangle but not for rectangle. Rectangle for side. These two shorter side and longer side. Now simplify this equation. X square plus x plus 30 square. X square plus 60x plus 30 square is equal to 900 is equal to x square plus 120x plus 3600. Here 2x square plus 60x plus 900 minus x square minus 120x minus 3600 equals to 0. 2x square minus x square, therefore x square plus 60x minus 120 is x minus 60x plus 900 minus 3600 minus 2700 is equals to 0. Factors of 2700. Subtraction is 60. 9 3s are 90 minus 30. Then we get 2 here by which method? A equals to 1, B is equals to minus 60 and C is equals to minus 2700. Now find B square minus 4AC is equals to, first we find B square minus 4AC is equals to minus 60 square minus 4 1 minus 2700 equals to 3600 minus minus plus 27 4s are 108 0 0. 27 4s are 108, then 2700 therefore 00 is equals to 1440. Now our formula, otherwise here I find no, x is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a and x is equals to minus b, first we write plus then here write minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a is equals to, what is b? B is equals to minus 16 minus 16 plus under root 1440 upon 2 into what is A? A is equals to 1 minus minus plus 60 144, which number square? We know it is a square of 12 and 100, therefore 10 120 upon 2 180 upon 2 equals to 90. Here we get x is equals to 90 is equals to minus 60 minus under root 1440 upon 2 into 1 equals to 60 minus 120 upon 2 is equals to minus 60 upon 2 is equals to minus 30. But we know x, what is x? X is the length of shorter side. Side can't be negative. Therefore, x cannot be negative. But x can't be negative. So, x is equals to 90. Therefore, sides of rectangle shorter side is equals to x is equals to 9. We know shorter side is equals to x. X is equals to 90. Longer side. What is longer side? X plus 30. Longer side is equals to x plus 30 is equals to 90 plus 30 equals to 120. Shorter side is equals to 90 meter and longer side is equals to 120 meter. Here given unit, yes, 60 meters. Then we write here meter. Suppose we have not given meter unit, then we write the only unit. 120 unit, 90 unit. Again question, the diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. We assume shorter side is equal to x, then length of diagonal is equal to x plus 60, and longer side's length is equal to x plus 30 meter. In figure, in rectangular, suppose you don't draw figure, then you know. In rectangle, angles are right angle, then our for calculation becomes easy. Then I write here, I draw here figure, x, shorter side x, longer side x plus 30, and diagonals x plus 60. By Pythagoras rules, sum of two side squares, longer sides plus shorter side is equal to diagonal square, or AB plus BC is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC. Suppose you have given name, then simplify, then our equation becomes x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. You know this factor, or suppose you know factor, then you using factorization. Here I use general formula or quadratic formula. Then x is equal to 90, x is equal to minus 30, but side can't be negative, therefore x is equal to 90. Therefore, side of rectangles, shorter side is equal to 90 meter, and longer side is equal to 120 meter. Now, question number, write down in your notebook, and then question number 7. Now, question number 7. The difference of square of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Here, the square of the smaller number. First we write condition. Square of smaller number. Square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. 8 times larger number. Larger number is equal to x. Then smaller number square is equal to 8x. Larger number is equal to x. Then smaller number square is equal to 8x. According to question, the difference of the square of two numbers. According to the condition, difference of square of two numbers. Square of two numbers, square of larger number is always larger than square of smaller number. Here we write first square of larger number minus difference, that means minus square of smaller number is equal to square of two numbers is 1. Larger number square minus smaller number square is equal to 1. Equation larger number square is equals to larger number is x square minus smaller number square, here square given, not 8x square. Here smaller number square is equals to 8x is equals to 180. Then our equation becomes x square minus 8x minus 180 is equals to 0. We should here factorization 18 tens are, then 18 minus 18, x minus 18 factors and x plus 10. Then x is equals to 18, x is equals to minus 10. 18 is correct minus 10 because minus 10 larger number is equals to minus 10, smaller number square is equals to minus 18. It is not possible. Each number square is not possible. I understood you next time. X square minus 8x minus 1. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 8, c is equals to minus. Now b square minus 4ac, then find b square minus 4ac minus 8 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 180, 64 minus minus plus 18 fours are 72, 720 is equals to 784. Our formula x is equals to minus b. I write here plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You should write like this plus minus, then both formula written in same term is equals to minus b minus a plus minus under root 784 upon 2 into 1 is equals to a plus minus 784 square root of 784 is equals to 28 upon 2. Now we write both x is equals to x plus 28 upon 2 and x is equals to 8 minus 28 upon 2. X is equals to 36 upon 2, x is equals to 18, x is equals to minus 20 upon 2, x is equals to minus 2. Here, x is a larger number. Suppose larger number is equals to 18. Then smaller number is equals to, here larger number x is equals to 18. We write here smaller number is equals to, square of smaller number is equals to 8x, then smaller number is equals to, suppose we write here smaller number is equals to under root 8x. You assume this like this, smaller number is equals to root 8x. Here root 8x square is equals to 8x is equals to root 8x is equals to root 8 into 18 is equals to under root 144 is equals to 12. Smaller number is equals to 12. First, x is equals to 18. Here we take the numbers x is equals to minus 10. Larger number is equals to x is equals to minus 10. Then smaller number is equals to under root 8x is equals to under root 8 into minus 10 is equals to under root minus 80. Minus 80 is not a square, is not, it is not possible. So, numbers are first number 18 and smaller number 18 and 12. Numbers are 18 and 12. Our answer is numbers are 18 and 12. Okay. Square of 18 square 324. Square of 12 is equals to 144 is equals to 8 times the larger number. 18 is 144. 144 is correct our answer. Here larger number is equals to x. Square of smaller number is 8 times larger number. Smaller number is equals to square of smaller number is equals to 8x. Then for smaller number is equals to root 8x. According to condition, difference of square of two numbers is 180. Larger number square minus smaller number square is equals to 180. X square minus 8x is equals to 180. Condition. According to condition, our equation becomes like this: x square minus 8x minus 180 is equals to 0. Then find x is equals to 80, x is equals to minus 10. But I explained that x is equals to minus 10 is not possible because square root of negative number. Negative number is not a square of any number. Minus 80 is not a square of any number. But 80 is square of root 80. It is not possible. Therefore, larger number is equals to 18 and smaller number is equals to 12. Question number 7 completed.